So guys, for the first method, the touchpad might not be working because you have it disabled. So on your keyboard, you want to hold the FN key and you want to find the touchpad key. For me, it's F6. So I'm going to click on FN and F6 at the same time, which has now enabled my touchpad. Make sure that your touchpad has been enabled. Your touchpad key might be something else, so just look for it on your keyboard. For me, it's F6. So again, FN plus F6 to then enable the touchpad. See if that works. For the second method, you want to click on the Windows key on your keyboard, which will now pull up this. You want to search for touchpad settings and then click on enter, which will now bring us to here. And now once we're here, it's going to be saying touchpad and it's going to be saying off or on. Make sure that you have it on. Now, if you're not already on the on button, then you want to click on tab on your keyboard until you get to the on button. So now on has been highlighted for me. Now once you have the off or on button selected, you can toggle it with the space bar. So make sure that you have the touchpad now on, toggle it on with the space bar. Hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.